Nicola, in the presence of our family and friends, I ask you to be my companion, my best friend and my true love, who I will care for as you care for me, and who will share my happiness as I share in yours. I will build and treasure our family life and support you in all of your adventures.
Through good times and times of tribulation, I will always strive to fill your life with laughter, romance and happiness, and ensure that our love and passion for each other is nurtured and grows stronger throughout our lives together.
Round of applause for the father and the mother.
A wedding is a time for fun and joy, with friends and family gathered to see the happy couple off on the next part of their journey together. But at this part, I know Nick and Rich had a special person who could not be here today, their grandma Stella. So, could we all raise a glass for Stella, please? Grandma Stella.
Grandma.
Declare you to be husband and wife together, and should you not kiss your beautiful bride.
This is their first dance. It's definitely them. This is the Mario Kart Org song.
You be my princess and I'll be a toad. I'll follow behind you on Rainbow Road, protect you from red shells wherever we go, I promise. No one will touch us if we pick up a star, and if you spin out you can ride in my cart. When we slide together we generate sparks in our wheels and our hearts, and the finish line is just around the bend. I'll pause this game so our love will never end. Let's go.